ya Edo ya fe. Ma swan no. Ni ma we tade di ebe na ya tu ebe do. Avana we no. Ta no. Eni na gbera. We ka mu wa we ma do uhu na tu ebe do. Uhu na tu ebe do ni ma ire ba na ya ta na. The other day, thank you all for watching and thank you for coming. Yes, we dealt with general greetings, ordinary greetings. Hello, welcome, bye-bye, good morning, and so forth. Okay, I remember I told you that we were going to come with our Edo lineage greetings. Lineage greetings. Lineage greetings are special greetings. Special. It's not the one we throw away. And it's not the one we can do without. It is something we have to learn and we have to use. The lineage greetings. Uku na twebedo. Uku na twebedo. Ukpewi no kwa no. Ami obiedo na uku no twe. Ami obiedo na kinokere. Uku na twe odi ema egbe no makere. Egbe no makere odi ema unie no ani kere. Edo ya edo sopa dado we unie no kere. Unie no kere ana mi egbe no kere. Ami o aneme egbe, ami o aneme unie. Ibiedo ya fe wa igba okoto. Wa idame he emi na ama ina. N'ugwu agha tu ukwu n'okeke uwe. Ukwu ya fefe no redo ni ma emiebo ona ha robi ye ne. Oka bo bungbi. Maga ifyo la dia wa mi no owe. De uwe ma no owe u ne ra owe. U ne ye uwe we de no ukwu ni matwe begbema bunyurima dunie no we kere baba. Dunie no ki iye nya we tama won unda pe mi no kwa no unie ni manado ayen oku ni manado ayen de go ten makin unda we tu oku na e na batu ku opa o ten akin e sa giun pa e akin ona batu ku opa ai ri egbe ai lo bi e ke gbe wa ho Alovieko bano batu kwokpa awae no wedo. Awae no. Eri makiweji ma yan yo mo no na batu kwokpa. Funda o ten makin. Are mega wegbe radio eni wa me we na ya kian yo he. Ni ya zo he na do mi we ari yo ten ai pa wo ten re. Ake mi yan kwe ne yo radio yo me gbe. Otun wegbe gban ebe no otun eje ayin yen do wa hon. Okay, today we come to Edo lineage greeting. What do we mean by Edo lineage greeting? Edo lineage greeting is the greeting that we greet in accordance to the lineage into which we were born. Every Edo person was born into a lineage. And in that lineage that his family or her family belongs to. We are many, but we have families. And our families belong to lineages. And the lineage belongs to the tribe or the ethnic group. Ethnicity in Edo is something important and it's good to learn it. So by lineage greetings, you let people know how related to people you are. If you are the same lineage greeting with somebody, you will automatically become relatives. You are now relatives. And if you are relatives, you cannot marry. You cannot marry. Endogamy is not practiced in Edo culture. You have to go outside of your lineage to get married. That is exogamy, is what Edo people practice. Exogamy. Go outside of the lineage to marry. You cannot have sex with somebody you greet the same lineage language because you are related. If you have done it by chance or by mistake, You will tell your parents about it, they know how to go about it. They will go through some purification rites according to the Edo culture. So today we have Edo lineage greetings, and you will see the one you belong to. If you do not know, you ask your parents, what is our lineage greeting? Your father has a lineage greeting. Your mother may even have a different lineage greeting. But in most cases, women, when they are married to men, their husband greetings become their greeting. Oziza yeran or mieni. Okwe wodone. Uku nera no do etwe enya gibetwe. So pa we ibioba. Ibioba pa tuku oge egwa. Ogu mokun. Eke nya dirigaje nya wodo yama wodo. Do I have another? All right. Now we're going to go down to it. Edo lineage greetings. Uku na twe. Uku na twe. Some people also call it morning salutation. Morning salutations. Why did they call it morning salutation? They call it morning salutation because to the Edo man or woman, Edo person, when you see an elder, somebody who is your elder by age, any time in the day, the first time you are seeing the person in the day, you ought to give the person your lineage greeting. If that is your first time of seeing the person that day, even if it's afternoon. 2, it's morning greetings because when you wake up historically or in the cultural milieu, when you wake up, you are in your morning. You wake up at 10 o'clock, that is your morning. I saw here ukuna travel na king where on my me deck bay, like a new okay digwet. The second thing I want to say is the Edo lineage greetings is not a greeting that you greet just by word of mouth. No, you greet it symbolically. You go down on your knees to greet the person you want to greet. Because the people you greet on the lineage greeting, they are actually your seniors. Yeah, your seniors. You don't greet a junior person a lineage greeting. You see what I mean? I can't greet my children my lineage greeting. No, they ought to greet me our lineage greeting, as I have taught them. So, when you greet somebody in the lineage, you go down your knees. Adi gwe tuo wa ne nwan. You don't want no adi gwe tuo. O wa di gwe soto. O ai na you no di gwe soto. De ga we ra you wa tim buegu ere kakabo. O buegu ere kakabo don de ga we o di gwe ni ene. Or you booking, one were big go, why Yanika, or when game a big way. I go, Botaniana where you go. Manedo, my art digwe, 12 or keep my bring worry. I be my body way, even a gua, or by no real London, a yammy way. I mean, then death, even I will again, I know. Hold on, Uga say morning salutation. So I baku where they are be. Ebena. Nagbe uku nedo twe nagbon yo. Ebena edokpa makin. Ebena ne benoka kina ne wa no. Unwen mata no rebena ase baka. No cow. No wa gbegbo oge oba nri ebe do ya fe oba iyefa no ri bedo no ri oba bedo e ha le won kego kiso ade to se ego ba no rekete na oba ewai no kifa oba atokpe is ere ga ma o ga ma oyo pa to gie Papa Gilo Boyfo is I came back by another lie, Ukunedo Twe. Ukunedo Twe, Bamio, one. Okay, you boom, one and I So this book contains these lineage greetings. It's a book worth having. Many important things are in it. Those are one. By that I mean all Edo people in the Edo state and beyond, in Delta state, those in the Republic of Benin, those in Ghana, and wherever in the world, they are one people. Those are one. Most importantly, we do have in this book a list of all the kings that have reigned, the Obas that have reigned in Benin Kingdom, beginning with the Oisos in the time of creation, up to the present king of Benin, the Oba Ewai. Oba Atokpe is long live the king. After that, we have the lineage greetings, which are 74 in number. So this book is worth having. So you can know, trace it and find your lineage greeting. Oiso, thank you for that. I hope you take that to heart. Now let's go to the lineage greetings. I think life with Dr. Have you eaten life with Pediver? I could not mana the first and foremost is the greetings from the Oiso dynasty. Greetings from Oiso dynasty. That is the first dynasty of the Edo people. Oiso dynasty. Okay? According to Edo creation story, Oiso was one of the 7 men created by God in the days when there was nothing on this earth. It was all like water and darkness. It is found in Genesis chapter 1, verse 2. The world, the earth was without void. It was full of water and darkness. That is what we call in biblical theology the Tohu Wabohu. Tohu Wabohu. The earth was without void. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Breshit, Amar Adonai, Bashamayim Wu Haares. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Breshit, Amar Adonai, Bashamayim Wu Haares. And the earth was without void. That is the Tohu Wabohu, full of water and darkness. Again, you sana boya having here no cow. No, what I want to go Oiso. Opa umi anaga Oiso. On your Oiso, no eredo. No you ugu go dato. Ne kena ladian. The whole place was full of water. But every man was asked to choose what he liked. And each one chose what he liked. Some chose fine art, some chose technology, some chose trades, some chose governance, and so on. Oiso, he chose a snail shell. There was a snail shell upon the water. And Oiso chose that snail shell. And when he turned the snail shell upside down, sand came out of the snail shell. And he poured upon the water, and land came out. The water abated, the water pushed aside. Land came out, and he stood on top of the ground. The ground, and all the other gentlemen also stood on the ground. That is why the Edo people say their creation story is very close to that of the Hebrew Bible. That is why the Edo people say Oba of Benin is the owner of the land from Benin Kingdom to the first world. Eunita Bambana, Ukanokwa no. Oiso oiri ma no cow, then oedu no cow, Egarusana Buagmona. Busa Buagmona, ebe no white abima we, Onawa mame, a pina was so. amame osana jaru yiyan opa wu yiyan ni ona ogiso idadoge na azevi no yo eso ze ona eso ze matagwa eso ze arioba oge bene agba oge bo he eso ze bene ya adu ki he ona mi ki wa gu yan bo matagwa bu yan bo ogiso ona ri ugungo na ara won ameni ona gbegbere won ameni ogiso na ri ugungo ni ona ha hun dato ori ha hun dato ekena ladia ekena to yu ame oto ni maye na na wa ladia ame yo si yo oto ladia yen vi owe yo to yen ni ka na vi owe yo to ni yen vi owe yi eyi ma ne do na tai we oba anya to kedo ya sewebo runda egedo kaodi logiso ya di owe yo to ugungo ni e kenike ladia oba to pe ise duwa on kada ni wa ya ti e be ni baba gben e baba eri ma no mo no ba e dia wa e be no gben wa ya ti e bo kada oriba you might want to refer to the book where this story is related. It's related in the book written by our late about the blessed memory of Bae Diawa. Go and read that book, you will see the story there. Ogiso is number 1 on the first dynasty.